So this is the condo lobby.
For inquiries, please email me at amonforrealestate@gmail.com. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel Cebu Bohol Homes and visit my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com.
Yes, hello friends and investors. I'll give you a short tour of the condo here at SMDC Light Residences that I stayed for the week that I'm here for the brokers conference. So we have a few units for lease. Our partner Surelis Inc. here was able to accommodate us for the whole stay. This is a brief tour. So right upon entering the unit, there's the sink here, and then there's the toilet right here. It has hot and cold shower, and that's the bed. You have a small table here if you want to work while you are here in the condo, and then it has AC, of course, then with the fridge, and you can heat your food here, microwave. So this is a table. Lots of collaterals from our developer from the convention. So basically this is a unit, guys. If you know more about this, just feel free to contact Surelis Inc. here in Mandaluyong City. Yes. Hello friends and investors. We're having coffee time here. Video at Kenny Rogers. Yes, Michelle from Bacolod.
Yes.
Yes, staff ni Miss Rax for Surelis, guys. And of course, Miss Rax, the owner of Surelis. So if you have leasing and you want to buy units here at Light Residences. Mandaluyong, yeah, right at the Boni station, diba?
Yes.
It's along EDSA. And we have Light 2 if gusto nyo yung brand new unit, and may foreclosed na tayo.
Yes.
So contact nyo lang kami, guys. In the description sa video, check nyo lang po how to contact. Assist kayo ng magagandang team ni Miss Rax. So marami pa. Ipapakilala ko po kayo sa team dito sa Mandaluyong. And Parab Mandaluyong board. Thank you. So guys, in Manila, it's a little complicated. A little bit complicated talaga. From the airport, diretso na ako dito sa SMDC Light Residences 1. Here in Boni, Mandaluyong, Metro Manila. So this is the first elevator. I have to go to 8th floor, then I have to get out and transfer to another elevator so I can proceed to the 10th floor. Grabe. Napaka-silent naman dito. Very quiet. Very quiet ang place. Yeah. It's really quiet. This elevator serves 3rd floor to 50th floor. Wow, grabe. Talaga lang. Oh, it's really a high-rise building. Ang bilis. Daming buttons niya. 10th. Grabe, ang bilis. Ang bilis naman dito. So the unit is 1001. Let's check. It's unit 1001, guys. We'll see. Wow, this is the unit. So, it's really open. Azist light. Wow, nice. So, condo tour muna tayo. Amazing. Trabaho agad. So, this is a studio unit, guys, here at SM Light. Yun. May cabinet siya. It's a furnished unit. Let's leave our shoes. Let's check anong view dito. Oh, nice. Nice kahit gabi. Kahit wala namang makita, no? So, may cabinet. Yung. May may ref, may oven din. This is the countertop. It's for me, the key. The cabinets. May cabinet niya, guys. La, may wine. Kailangan wine eh. This is the toilet. Let's check the toilet. Oh, nice. Oh, may sabon. Amazing. Oh, wow, nice. Yes, my guy. So basically, this is the studio unit. Yes, hello friends and investors. It's day 1 here in Manila, and I'm staying now at Light Residences. The first project, because there's Light Residences 2 now being constructed by SMDC. So thank you to my fellow broker here in Manila, and it's right along EDSA here in Manila, Mandaluyong. So I'll let you see the train. Yes, the MRT line here. So from the unit, this is the view. That's already the MRT line. I see medyo traffic na at this time. It's almost 8 in the morning. Slow moving na yung traffic. Then that is Makati Business District, guys. The buildings that you see from here, it's actually very close to Makati. Pwede mong lakarin or takbuhin actually. So I think I'm not sure if I'm correct with the buildings there, with the tower names, but I've seen them before. This is the tower across. There's Fitness Capital there on the lower floor. So you can see from here some commuters waiting for the train to arrive. Yes, hello friends and investors. I'm finally here in Manila, day 1, with my fellow broker here from Mandaluyong Board, yeah, and from Cebu Board. So this is Light Residences, guys. If you need leasing and you want to buy a unit here, call her. So yeah, we can help you out. It's really along EDSA, very convenient, diba po, Miss Rax?
Oo.
Yes, and napaka high speed nung elevator nila. And pagdating ko sa airport, nag-meter taxi ako kasi sinabihan ako ng guard. Less than 300 lang yung patak. 300 pala. 270, yeah. So guys, right outside the lobby, di ba? The lobby ng Light is EDSA na. No. And then where do you take the bus? You go there?
Wala nang bus stop dito. Nandun na sa Shaw Boulevard.
So lalakad ka pa?
Oo.
So aakyat ka ng ng skywalk.
Pwede diretso lang.
Okay, or you can take the taxi from here, di ba? Kasi pwede naman pick up, drop off dito.
Yeah, lakad ng Guadalupe, may bus stop doon.
Tapos may own mall siya, yung Light Mall. Okay.
Yes, meron siyang sariling mall.
Tapos may kainan sa ground floor, guys. May Kenny Rogers dito. Grabe magkano na unit dito ngayon? Yung sa 2, yung studio.
Meron mga foreclosed ngayon na nag-publish. Just recently, 2.8 million ang lowest.
Talaga? So pwede mo idiretso sa bank, no?
Pwede.
Nice. So may Alpha Mart sa baba. Several foreclosed units if you're into foreclosed properties. So meron dito sa Light Residences. It's really convenient, guys, along EDSA lang, and Mandaluyong is very close to Makati and UGC. Ongoing construction ng Light 2, no? Ilang towers? Dalawa. Tapos yung Light 1 is 3, di ba?
Ito 55 floors yan.
Yung sa first is 50, no? Tapos yung Light Mall, 2 level ba yung mall? Pwede siya ma-access dito, no? Then going to Quezon City, guys. Opposite is going to back to Makati. So this is the entrance, Boni Station. Dito ka bibili ng ticket ng MRT, tapos pasok ka, baba, then wait for the train. This building, anong building?
Ito, GA Tower.
Ito. Asan yung sa KBL?
Dito sa side na to, siguro mga tatlong kanto.
3 kanto. Okay.
Ito may mga
May pizza.
pag-ibig. Nakapag-ibig itong mga properties.
GA Tower, may Pizza Hut. For delivery. For food. Ay, Miss Rax, bali mo na ako ng toothpaste tsaka ano.
Ay, wala dyan.
May Samsung Hot Kitchen. Ayun, Dairy Queen. Mga soy. Dito yung grocery sa baba. Save more.
Ito yung
Yung palabas yun sa other side. Sa street na doon.
papuntang Greenfield yan. May tricycle na yan. Papuntang Greenfield. Dito muna tayo papuntang Greenfield.
May BDO dito. Saan malapit may Metro Bank?
Paglabas natin, pinilip yung alam ko eh.
So, nandito po tayo sa 8th floor. Pila ka na tumambay dyan. So, mag-change elevator lang tayo going to the upper floor. So, silip lang tayo konti dun sa, sa amenity area dito. Diyan lang po. So, yung pool niya nasa labas. So, dito po tayo papunta sa 10th floor. Nasa harap lang yung GA Tower. Yan, mandaluyong yung mga buildings na yan. So, mabilis din yung ano nila, elevator. Grabe. Tapos dito, may concierge rin. Here, dito po. So, see in Manila, 50 floors tong tower na to. Tapos parang 55 po yung Light Residence 2. Grabe ang tataas-tatayog ng mga buildings dito. At nandito na po tayo sa unit 1001. So actually, it's open for rent po. Yes, hello friends, investors. It's our second day for NatCon here in Manila. So we're living light residences of SMDC here in Mandaluyong City. And we're taking the MRT going to Makati. Yes, hello, road trippers. For now, this is the lobby of the Light Residences, and we're going to the mall. We're going to Light Mall. Check lang natin yung mall, and para ma-view din ng mga prospects kung ano talaga yung itsura ng mall dito sa SMDC Light Residences. Nasa first 2 levels po siya. And di siya gaanong kalaki, but I think the basic things that you need in living in a condo ay nandito po. Check natin. Ito po yung entrance ng mall. May tea house dito, then may BDO na branch po. Of course, may mga ATM dyan. And may save more sa baba if need nyo po mag grocery. Tapos may donuts dyan. May coffee. Nandiyan yung Samsung din. And hot kitchen. So baybayin po natin lahat. May Dairy Queen din. Tapos sa gitna merong repair na mga gadget. Snow Plus. Yan po yung Dairy Queen. Tapos may pang eyewear. Dito may pang tempered glass. Oh. May maki. Oh. May mga pagkain. May lechon pa. May ngoyong pala dito. Then, yung Alphamart is open siya 24 hours. Tapos Bonchon, may Jollibee doon. Tapos may Chowking sa harap. Jollibee at Chowking. Tapos dito, may Unucha Taiwan Original Tea. So may Anytime Fitness pa dito. May gym. Tapos Monga, Dunkin Donuts. May Kuya J. Diyan din yun, Kenny Rogers, Uncle Mo's Shawarma Hub, and Romantic Baboy Unlimited Korean Grill. So yan po dito sa ground floor ng Light Mall. On the second floor of the Light Mall, there's the Medical City Clinic. There's Ayers Hardware, David's Salon, TJ Salon. There's also an SMDC showroom here. And Wendy's. May Wendy's pala dito. I like Wendy's din. There's Derm Care. It's a waxing lounge. Pampa Beauty. Karamihan dito. May flawless pa. May massage pala dito. Vibes Massage. Tapos Dental Care. May laundry. The famous Belgian waffles. Potato Corner, oh. Nag-trending yan sila. Serenity is about to open. Let's go into the MRT station. Turks, Frutas, your daily vibes shop there. Beside Ace Hardware. Egg Drop, Mandaluyong. Tapos may National Bookstore. May cinema pala dito. Tapos Chicken Savory ba yan? It's Classic Savory. Not sure if open na tong cinema. Yeah, I think open na yung cinema. Diyan pwede kang bumili ng snack. Ito yung ticket. They're showing you.
For inquiries, please email me at amonforrealestate@gmail.com. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel Cebu Bohol Homes and visit my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com.